Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 3rd September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, the first ever seaplane service will be started in which state? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option A, Gujarat. Gujarat, in the first ever seaplane services in Gujarat will be started from the 31st October. Okay, the seaplane service will offer the seamless and affordable air connectivity from the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity. Remember, the Statue of Unity is in Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devvrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay. Our second question was, who has released two coffee table books? J.C. Murmu, Manoj Sinha, Amit Shah, none of these. The correct answer here is Manoj Sinha. Option B is correct here. Manoj Sinha, the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, has released the two coffee table books. Okay, one is for the Labor and Employment Department and another for Jammu and Kashmir Entrepreneurship Development. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Coconut Day is observed? 30 August, 31st August, 1st September, 2nd September. The correct answer here is 2nd September. Option D is correct here. On September 2, the World Coconut Day is observed. It is observed since 2009. It is observed since 2009. Okay. And do you know who is the larger producer or the top producer of coconut in India? Kerala. In India, Kerala tops the production of in coconut. Okay. Also, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka also produce more amount of coconut, but Kerala is in top position. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved official language bill of which union territory? Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Pondicherry. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Cabinet has approved Jammu and Kashmir Official Language Bill 2020. According to Jammu and Kashmir Official Language Bill, Kashmiri, Dogri and Hindi along with the Urdu and English will be the official language. Okay, Kashmiri, Dogri, Hindi, Urdu and English is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Government of India banned how many mobile apps recently, including PUBG? 100, 118, 150, 200. The correct answer here is option B, 118. Recently, Government of India, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, the Government of India has decided to block 118 mobile applications. Okay, in security purpose view or security point of view. Okay, including PUBG, a very famous mobile game. Okay, mobile application game. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved Mission Karma Yogi NPC SCB for whom? Civil servants, doctors, army, engineers. The correct answer here is civil servant. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Union Cabinet has approved Mission Karma Yogi NPC SCB for civil servant. Okay. What is the abbreviation of NPC SCB here? National Program for Civil Service Capacity Building. Okay. It has been launched to prepare the Indian civil servant and about 510.86 crore is allocated to this project in 5 years. Okay. Next question. IIT Bombay students has launched artificial intelligence based scanning app named MyScan, Air Scanner, Pic Scanner, none of this. What is the name of the app? Artificial intelligence based scanning application. The correct answer here is AR Scanner. Option B is correct here. AR Scanner. IIT Bombay students Rohit Kumar Chaudhary and Kavin Agrawal has launched a free mobile scanner application named AR Scanner. Okay. Here you can see the image of Rohit Kumar Chaudhary and Kavin Agrawal, and they made a application named AR Scanner. Okay, and it is a indigenous build application by IIT Bombay student. They belongs to IIT Bombay. Next question. Who became new chairman and managing director of Hindustan Shipyard Limited? LV Sarath Babu, Rajesh Bhatia, Hemant Khatri. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Hemant Khatri. Option C is correct here. Hemant Khatri has taken the charge as CMD of Hindustan Shipyard Limited (HSL) at Visakhapatnam. Okay, and he replaced LB Sarath Babu. Okay, and Hindustan Shipyard Limited headquarters is Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and it is founded in 22 June 1941. 22 June 1941 it is founded or established. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled The Big Thoughts of Little Love? Karan Johar, Chetan Bhagat, Amir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan. Who is the author of the book? The correct answer here is option A, Karan Johar. Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar has authored a book titled The Big Thoughts of Little Love. Okay, inspired by twin Yash and Ruhi. You can see the image of Karan Johar here. Okay, and the autobiography of the Karan Johar is An Unsuitable Boy. An Unsuitable Boy, who is released in 2017, is the autobiography of the Karan Johar. Remember that autobiography of the Karan Johar released in 2017, and name is An Unsuitable Boy. Okay. Next question. Pramod Chandra Modi got how many months extension as CBDT chairman? 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. The correct answer here is 6 months. So option B is correct here. The appointment committee of the cabinet ACC, the appointment cabinet committee has approved extension of 6 months as the chairman of the CBDT. What is the abbreviation here? CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. Okay, as the Pramod Chandra as the chairman, extension tenure that 6 months. Okay, you can see the image of Pramod Chandra Modi here, and the headquarters of the CBDT is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters of the CBDT is situated, and CBDT is established in 1924. On 1924, CBDT is established. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. CFI's Cycling Federation of India is all set to host first ever cycling summit in which year? 2020, 2021, 2022 or in 2023? The correct answer here is 2021. Option B is correct here. The Cycling Federation of the India is going to host first ever cycling summit in 2021. Okay, and what is the headquarters of the CFI is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters of the CFI is situated, and it is established in 1946. Remember, it is established in 1946. Okay, next question. This is the last question of the today's session. Rajnath Singh has left for Russia on 3-day visit to attend which meeting? UNESCO, SCO, SAARC, option D, BRICS. What is the correct answer here? Answer here is option B, SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had left for Moscow on 2nd September on a 3-day visit to Russia on 3-day visit to Russia to attend SCO Defense Minister Meet, Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Minister Meet. Okay, the capital of Russia is Moscow. Currency is Russian ruble, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, our first question is, who has stopped the publication of ease of doing business report? Okay, our second question is, which month is observed at nutrition month? Please try to answer more in comment section, and if you like the session, please try to share in your educational related group and like it. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. And if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.